The accumulator, better known as the battery, is one of the fundamental elements for the correct functioning of your vehicle and its electrical components. It is a real reservoir of energy, allowing you to start the vehicle and supply power to onboard accessories when the alternator is not producing enough energy to do so. An efficient battery is fundamental for your vehicle's reliability, which must start up with ease even in extreme weather conditions. For this reason, the state of the battery must be regularly checked. In any case, you can contact your dealership or trusted authorized workshop. You're guaranteed help by qualified technicians and the use of original spare parts. Furthermore, if the old battery is replaced, it will be disposed of by the dealership or the authorized workshop in full accordance with environmental protection regulations. Avoid unpleasant surprises. A significant number of roadside assistance occurrences are related to recovering vehicles that have experienced problems with the ignition.